Electrical Engineering Toolbox. Ohm's Law. V equals IR. A volt is an amp ohm. Recognize series resistors and series batteries. They're in series when they carry the identical current. Recognize parallel resistors and parallel current sources. They're in parallel when they have the identical voltage across them. They also are connected to only two nodes. Combine series resistors and series batteries. Add the resistors. Add the voltage sources, observing polarity. Combine parallel resistors and parallel current sources. Inverse total resistance equals the sum of the inverse resistors. Add the current sources, observing current directions. Voltage divider rule. Voltage across one of two series resistors is a fraction of the total. VA is V times A over A plus B, where A and B are the resistors. Current divider rule. Current through one of two parallel resistors is a fraction of the total. IA is I times B over A plus B, where A and B are the resistors. Kirchhoff's voltage law. Voltage balances around any loop. Kirchhoff's current law. Currents balance at any node. These are the basic tools in the EE toolbox. They are sufficient for any circuit containing only one battery or one current source. And also when series batteries exist, and also when parallel current sources exist, and occasionally when multiple sources exist. These are the advanced methods, typically for circuits containing multiple sources. Superposition is for mixed sources. Loop current is for multiple voltage sources. Node voltage is for multiple current sources. Thevenin Norton for mixed sources, and also for several other purposes. All the tools in the EE toolbox must be thoroughly mastered.